Okay, so welcome back to another Ford to Ferrari. Here we are on a sunny Sunday and working on the Mazda again. So yeah, today I've got plans. I'm going to try and fit the intake system. It's only an eBay one, so I don't know how much it will benefit the car in horsepower or anything like that, but you know, I think it'll improve the overall sound and just free up that breathability a little bit more. So that's the plan today anyway. So first of all, what we've got to do is get the girl clean. Okay, so she's now nice and clean again, as you can see in the background there. What I'll do, I'll quickly give you a quick go around the car just to show you what condition she's in at the moment. But yeah, I think she looks good, even though she's still quite stock looking. Yeah, she's a good looking car. So let me just show you around now quickly. Right, so that's the car all clean now, so she's ready for the intake install. So let me just go and get the intake and then I'll show you about that. Yep, so here we go. So this is how it came in a box. We've got the cone filter there that came with the kit, but I've actually got a K&N cone instead. So I'm hoping the one that I bought is just a little bit better quality, so it actually works as a filter, because how cheap this kit was, I don't have too much faith in that. So that one I don't think will be going in. Got some nice blue silicone hoses here and the two pipes that come, I believe that one comes from the throttle body, that one goes with the MAF in the sensor, and then the cone fits on the end. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. So I will go as we go along. I will fill you in if anything changes on that. But yeah, what I'll show you now is I'll just show you the K&N. So this one just here. So let's have a look. So yeah, with this one, I hope it's a direct replacement for this one. So let's open her up and have a look. It's not easy one-handed. There we go. Yeah. So I've always preferred the colour of these, and again, it'll just be that better quality. I do have a hole here that I think I'm going to have to plug up. I'll have to find some little grommet or something to go in there, but other than that, I think this is the same size. So yeah, I think that will look quite tidy in the car. Just take this section off here, be careful not to damage this, the actual MAF sensor itself. Yeah, remove all the box, get rid of this hose, and the cone should fit just there. Eventually I will get like a heat shield just to protect it from the exhaust manifold drawing in too much heat, but yeah, I can't imagine that would be too much of a problem. So yeah, time to get cracking. Let's do this. Okay, so quick progress update. It's taken me literally 5 minutes. There's bolt just up here holding all the airbox in. This one down here is a 12, a 12, a 10. The two 10s holding from the throttle body and to the front of the air filter. So now I'm just going to have to take this off here, the MAF sensor, and that's going to be going into the center of the actual pipe that comes from here. So I'm hoping the MAF, going by the picture that the kit showed, is around here. I do have this, I believe it's the air temp sensor, so that might be what I just put into the cone. so that way it gives me a reading, so that could be very helpful actually. So I'll try and keep that safe. There we are. Yeah, so pretty simple so far. I think this is going to be a nice and quick video. Okay, so the first bit of piping is now on. This one actually has a reducer, so it's a reducer to the larger diameter pipe which comes round. They did supply this blue rubber hose, and I assume it's meant to be for like the vacuum there that comes from the actual head of the engine there. So but I tried to install it and it just was that little bit too short, so yeah, not the best, but the black one's not too sad, I don't mind that. So yeah, now operation get the MAF out of here, so that's my next stage. Let's start by these two bolts here. They look like tens. Let's take this bit off. Now there is one thing with this, is you do have to be quite sensitive with these. I've done an intake before and the MAF sensor is pretty sensitive, so try not to bash it too much is my advice. There we go. There she is. One MAF sensor out. We've got the MAF here now, so now let's get one of these. There we go, that's going to be going on here, and the MAF we plugged in just around here. Okay, so that's the install. So I've got the K&N pod filter there. There you go. Comes round like that. There was this bracket down here. I'm not really liking the positioning of this too much. It kind of puts tension here, so it pulls the whole thing slightly over. So I'm gonna maybe adjust that at some point. Maybe make another bracket from here. Under here you can see I've plugged that with a little grommet, and I've put the air temp sensor just up into that section there, so you can see it just reading off this part in here. So yeah, everything's plugged back in. Time to start her up. Okay, so that is another wrap today. As you can see, the bonnet's still open. Really enjoyed that one. Quick, easy install. So if you've ever been slightly tentative about trying it yourself, honestly, 10mm, 12mm, and that's all you really need. So yeah, highly recommend this. I'll give you some more feedback as I get driving with the car, let you know if it has any problems or anything. But it's quite a simple install, so I can't see there being any problems. So the train's just about to go past. So yeah, more to come from this car. We're only at the beginning stages really, so what I want you to do is keep watching, hit that notification bell and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one. Nice one, cheers. Okay, so the first part of this, so first gear, there we go. Yeah, so the intake definitely makes a difference. I'll try and find a better bit of road so we can really hear it.